Welcome back. In this video we're going to look at functions. So we'll get rid of our example here to do with movies, and we're going to start with a very simple function. Now functions, how can we describe functions? Functions are like tools that programmers use to perform repetitive tasks usually. So if you're planning on having something in your program that runs more than once, it's probably a good idea to put it inside a function. So in this case, we're going to create a variable and we're going to say, we'll call it my name. Okay, and we'll say my name is Bill. So we've got a variable here, it's got a string and my name. So next what we're going to do is we'll create our function. Okay, so we can say local function. Alright, as you can see, this is a local function and the name of it is say my name. Okay, I just made that up. You could say whatever you like, and to finish it we put in here brackets and hit enter. Alright, so this is a function. This is how we declare it, and then anything inside this will run when we call the function. In this case, we're just going to say print my name is, and we're going to use the variable. Now we can include variables in print statements by using dot dot. Let's get rid of this reminder. Dot dot and then my name. This is called concatenation, alright, and it only works with strings. So if this was a number or something else, then this would cause an error and wouldn't work. However, in this case this is a string, so it's going to have this string and then it's going to join it with this string. Alright, so that's what our function is going to do. Now to call a function, we simply type the name, say my name, and with the parentheses after it, and that's as simple as it is. So let's click on save. My name is Bill. Okay, so later on in your code, should you change this, alright, so even if we came down here for example and we assign a new name here, my name, sorry, we'll just change this to Sarah perhaps. All right, and then we can copy and paste this below it, which means it's going to get down to here, run this function. So this comes up here, runs this down to here. When it's finished, it goes to this line, then it comes to here, okay, and runs this again. And this is one thing you need to understand when you declare functions, is that if you were to put the function call above here, it's going to cause an error, and we'll do that on purpose in a moment. But let's just see what this does. And here it is. My name is Bill, my name is Sarah. Can you see that it is a repeating reusable piece of code, and it's very, very powerful. Now just to show you what the error would happen if we did this, say we take the last one here, and it would work with either of them, and we'll put it up here. It's already showing an error because it hasn't been declared yet. Okay, the code is saying I don't know what this is. Alright, so it's going to cause an error when it runs. Alright, so that's the important thing to remember. Functions need to be declared near the top, and any function calls need to be below that. Alright, so that's a very simple function. In the next video, we're going to look at how we can add some arguments to this function and make it even more useful. So I'll see you in the next video.